Peace, love, and blessings. Great morning, y'all. It's your brother Key coming at you with some live and direct love. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the workshop, y'all. So today, it's gonna be like a quick video. Probably gonna be like a minute or two. I'm actually mounting a shelf right here above like my library. Well, that's not the only part of my library. It looks a little messy right now. But where the monkey is hiding, you see all those books and stuff like that. I want to use my dresser space. Also, like, use that to like put all like my camera gear, like my vintage camera gear. The shelf that I'm using is actually Rubbermaid. It's made by Rubbermaid. It's 12 by I think like 47 inches or something like that, just about. I already mounted these right here, and what I'm basically going to be doing is just mounting that shelf. And I already marked the places. I suggest anytime you're mounting something into the wall, and this is drywall, this is not wood, you have to find the spots, you know. I was told to trick you. Like, that's a solid part right here, and that's like a somewhat solid part for the most part. You also need a level. What I did was I put the shelf where I desired it to be, which is right here. After I took the shelf, this, you don't need to be perfect. Like, if you want it, you know, not close to the wall, then you take it away from the wall. If you want it to be jammed up, which is where I want it to be, you put it right in the corner. Have your pencil in hand. You take a pencil, you get it as straight as you can. You mark the area. You take your level, if you have a level, right? This is ideal for if you want your stuff to be straight, you don't want it sliding. And then you make sure that the bubble is in between the lines. So there's a bubble right here, right? You want to make sure that it is right there. And then you place it, make sure it's in the middle. You mark, and then after that, make sure that anytime you're shelving, I mean, this is in no way, shape, or form a hardware thing, right? Like a hardware channel, but this is just a 101. I put my pieces here. I measured it, so like to make sure it's lined up. I did like an educated guess, but what I did was I laid this flat down, like flat. Then I marked the circle, and then I put it up, and then I marked these two circles right here, 1, 2, and 3, with a pencil, or since that was dark and the pencil wouldn't show up, I used a marker. I mean a whiteout. So then I put the whiteout on there. I drilled it in there, and then after that, and also before you drill a screw into anything, or you screw into anything, make sure you make the hole with one of these, right? I did that, and then I marked the holes, and I put the screws in there, mounted it. Then I put my stuff to where I leveled it at, where I marked it. And then for the 3 holes that's gonna be in the wall, I took a pencil again, then I marked the 3 holes, well, the 6 holes, and then I went back again. I took my drill. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now you guys are about to see me actually shelve it. So anything crazy happen, I can't hide it. Bloopity bloops. And be like a real carpenter, you know, hold screws in your mouth. Don't swallow them though, okay? Not recommended. It's pros only. Make sure that you have the proper drill bit. I'm using a Milwaukee impact drill, and I have a whole bunch of drill bit heads. You don't want one that's too tiny, right? You want to fit it into the screw head first and make sure that it's really tight, like it doesn't have much play. I'm gonna go for one a little bit more, you know, strong. Like I like to fill it in. You feel me? I like to make sure my head fills in the, you know what I mean? So boom, this is a perfect, you know, it's not much play anywhere, like left, right, up or down. So I suggest putting the screws on both sides, 1, 2, and then you fill the 2 top ones, right? Instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because if you mount 3 here and then 3 there, if it's not level, then you're gonna have to take all of them out versus 1 or 2, and then you see if it's leveled, and then you put the rest, right? And I'm not using sheetrock screws, but they're a little bit bulkier than sheetrock screws actually. I'm using something a little bit more heavy duty because I don't exactly know how this wall is gonna hold up. It looks pretty you know, good if I say so myself. This thing says these are supposed to be able to hold up to 200 pounds, but I'm pretty sure that's in the, if it's mounted correctly and in the proper, you know, a wall. And there you have it. Let's put Mr. Monkey up here. Seems pretty sturdy to me. And that is how you mount the shelf. Ladies, you need some shelved? Holla at me. Let's check this level though. Seems to be leveled pretty well. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So yeah. Say what up, Mr. Monkey. Yeah, that's what we about right now. So yeah, people, if you enjoyed this quick shelf tutorial and you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe. The subscribes help, so do the like. Leave a comment below. And you know, let me know what else you guys would like to see. Like I said, this is in no way, shape, or form a carpenter's channel, but we do everything here. You feel me? Many niches. So seems pretty sturdy to me. It seems, and I ain't gonna front. I'm putting some force on that. I ain't go and rip it out, because you know I'm strong. You know what I'm saying? I'm more than 200 pounds of raw strength. But yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, you know, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, stay blessed and less stressed. Peace.